one here. We got Nitro. He says, Mastermind, Carbon One member. Awesome, dude. Appreciate you. He says, love your content, your refusal to cave to naysayers, and your commitment to all of this. But, always a but, why is oil not going up with all that's already happened with Venezuela, Russia, and China? We've started to see people in hedge funds and larger institutions take positions. We've seen some appreciation in oil off the bottom. A lot of people, still believe that oil is going much lower. Again, I am not a chart person. That's not my game. I look at the macro and try to understand things. Timing also, candidly, not perfect at that either. I'd be okay if things do escalate here this week, and I'm off by a couple weeks. I think people would give me some grace on that. I don't know if that's going to happen or not, but I think people would give me some grace. But yeah, I mean, we've started to see oil priced in yen start to rise. We're about 7% over the last 7 days. In order to get the inflation up there in Japan and them have to raise rates aggressively, it's likely going to have to spike, somewhere between 25% or greater in a very short period of time. And that would then cause them to have to move quickly, have an emergency meeting. The Bank of Japan is going to have their meeting this month on the 23rd, and they do intend to raise interest rates then. So, but that's going to be priced into the market. Markets are always forward-looking, about 6 months. They're anticipating things, which is just human nature. And so the only time that you're going to get a discrepancy between what the market is today and a different outcome would be if there's a black swan or something that is not anticipated that happens. And I do think, a spike in oil is not anticipated. Again, many people saying that oil will continue lower. And also, people do anticipate a 25 basis point hike there in Japan. And I'm sure they also anticipate the U.S. Lowering interest rates another 25 basis points. I watched the 10-year